felt super obligated to do this full review and on feet, man, just for you guys. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, bro. A couple of pants and jeans that I did throw on with these Yellow Ochres, man, it was super crispy. So if you guys are interested in copying these things tomorrow, let everybody know down below in the comment section by dropping some fire emojis if you are snagging them, and drop some trash emojis if you're just straight up passing on the Air Jordan 6 Yellow Ochres releasing tomorrow. What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into yet another video for your boy The Vintage, man. We've been pretty consistent, you guys, bring you guys look after early look, unboxing, all types of stuff, reviews. There's more content to come, best believe that. But all I need you guys to do, man, is smack that like button, especially if you are enjoying the content. If you are new here to the channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you miss out on any video that we are dropping. And I need you guys to go check out OutRank Brand. They got some super dope gear to go with the Air Jordan 6 Yellow Ochres. I did a full reel over on IG, so you guys are gonna see me actually matching the gear from OutRank with the Yellow Ochre 6s. So make sure you guys go tap into that. But I do have the t-shirt right here. You guys can see you got the nice logo design on the front right here, matching perfectly with the Air Jordan 6 Yellow Ochre thing that matched that pretty perfectly. It's kind of hard to match that yellow ochre color. But you guys can go check out OutRank Brand right now. Use my discount code The Vintage to save 10% off. And they also have this dope snapback. Like this thing right here is super crispy, bruh. You guys gonna see all this over on Instagram. Make sure you guys go tap in with OutRank Brand right now. Use my code The Vintage to save you 10% off. So the box is gonna come something like this tomorrow with a huge black Jumpman on top. An official colorway over here, man. It reads Air Jordan 6 Retro White, Yellow Ochre, and Black. And I got these in the size 9.5, and they fit super perfect. Maybe I was always a 9.5, and I should have always been getting that size. But that size 9 last year, I couldn't do it no more. But bam, man, check them out. Air Jordan 6s right here. You guys know a couple of weeks ago we did get the Yellow Ochre ones, and a couple weeks later here we are with a pair of 6s in the same Yellow Ochre colorway. And I ain't gonna lie, bruh, I do like the 6s more than the ones with this color. I don't know if it's just because it does have that carmine color blocking, which we do have behind us right here. Let me go ahead and grab a pair real quick, bro. Let me grab a pair of the carmines. You guys can see they have the same color blocking everywhere where it is red. On the carmines, over here on the Yellow Ochres, you do have the yellow hits, man. So I think it's pretty slick. Like I said, I don't know if it's because I'm a sucker for the carmine 6s or if it's just the colorway itself is super clean on this pair right here. Get your crispy all white outsoles with their translucent blue, and right in the middle you guys can see the huge yellow Jumpman in the middle. I tried something a little different with the laces today. I just went ahead and laced them up normally, and I did add the lace lock pacifier on one side of the shoestring. I thought that was pretty cool, pretty dope. But there's a bunch of different techniques that I do use as far as lacing my Air Jordan 6s, and if you guys need a tutorial on that, I'm gonna drop that video down below. I did that years ago. It is a couple of solid lace styles on there, but there is some on there that I have not used in forever. Checking out the heels of these 6s, man, you do have your regular Jumpman Air. I know some people would have went crazy if they had Nike Air on the back. And of course on the back, you do have your yellow and black spoilers. Flipping around to the tongue, like I said, man, you do have an all black tongue right here with the Jordan Air label on the front. And then leading down to the lacing system, you do have a huge yellow ochre padding over the lacing system. As far as the quality of the sneaker and the craftsmanship and stuff like that, don't see a lot of crazy factory flaws. I think it's a pretty pristine pair right here that I do have in hand, but you can't be that unlucky one with all the crazy different defects. I hope that ain't you, but like I said, man, the pair that I do have in hand is super, super crispy. You guys can see the tumblers in the leather, that nice nubuck on the Yellow Ochre hits around the 6. And just overall, man, like I said, it's a pretty good colorway. Just isn't worth that 200 retail tag. That's up to you and your pocket. So I appreciate all the support, man. Let me know down below in the comment section. Everybody else watching, let us know if you are snagging these things tomorrow. $200 retail tag. I definitely see these going to the outlets, just like a bunch of the other releases we have been getting. And I'm telling y'all, I've been preaching you guys this the last like 3-4 months. If you do not need the sneaker right now, definitely wait. And you can get this sneaker for under retail later down the line, because Nike eventually is going to have to hit us with a discount so they can make some of their money back from the flopping that's been happening with these releases. Hey, I'm just trying to help you guys out, but if you are going crazy, if you're going to go ahead and grab these things tomorrow, go ahead and do it, because at the end of the day, it's about what you like, and I preach that every single day as well. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Hit the notification bell for your boy. If you have not subscribed already, leave a huge thumbs up on today's video. And with all this being said, man, I'm going to go ahead and throw these Yellow Ochres on feet and let you guys check out how these things hit for.
Let's see how you do under pressure. Oh, yeah. I've been wanting this forever. I've been in the field with whatever they throw at me. Brush it off, pick myself up, moving on to the better. Okay. Hey. Yeah. Ain't no errors, baby, it's a new era. I wake up early, feeling rich like I'm Kesha. I get to the paper, boy. Extra, extra. Work with me, you know that I got it. Come with me, let's take a trip to the islands. We up on the jet, we'll do more than just fly on it. Stand on that hill, you gon' die on it. Boom, boom. Baby, I'm not one of them, you should try on it. Miss me with all that, I'm on it and next. Whip this up, I send you back to your ex. But good luck with that, this is big as it gets. Hey, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's see how you do under pressure. Give them a name to remember. Hey, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's see how you do under pressure. A moment can live on forever. Yeah. Oh shoot, they don't let me shoot a whole clip. Firepower in this coalition. We just turned the field into a demolition. It was desolate, but I had premonition. I was training for war, every exhibition, every extra mission, every enemy listening. Get off my I got bad intentions, make it right every wrong, and I'm back with a vengeance. I show you the ropes. Peace in my town, I can show you the coast. Up in the shots if they wanted to smoke. If you know, then you know. Suited up, my whole team do the same. Don't you forget who created the game. Ready for war, I was born with grenades. The trenches where soldiers are made. Let's see how you do under pressure. Let's see how you do under pressure. Give them a name to remember. Hey, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's see how you do under pressure. A moment can live on forever. Let's see how you do under pressure. Let's see how you do under pressure. Give them a name to remember. Hey, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's see how you do under pressure. A moment can live on forever.